Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Today I've hoed the early garden and we decided we are going to put in a big garden this year. Really big. The reason we decided this is because the grocery stores are empty, shelves are empty, it's hard to find food, hard to find anything. Can't find meat, you can't find anything at the store anymore. And prices are going up. I mean, some things are as much as 50% more than they used to be. So we decided this year we were going to cut our garden down. This year we decided to make it probably more than double the size it normally is. Right now we have lettuce and 2 types of lettuce and spinach ready to harvest. We also have some asparagus ready to harvest. We have cabbage and broccoli and peas also in our early garden. And we planted 30 tomato plants for the late garden, more cabbage, broccoli, potatoes. We're going to plant some sweet potatoes. We're going to plant corn, green beans, and we're also planting beets because I love to can beets. And everything's going to be canned or froze. We're going to do a lot of sweet corn. I'll show you our garden. Let me see. For some reason, it's not letting me spin it. Here's our garden. And that's going to be full of vegetables. Plus, we're going to dig up to almost this brick. And that will also be garden. We're going to take this sod out and make that even a bigger garden. When we started, the place from the cabbage plants or from that the post there up to here, that was our garden. And now this is our garden. Right now he's planting sweet corn. He planted potatoes earlier, more potatoes. And he planted 30 tomatoes, a dozen peppers, and a dozen cabbage out there. All the time I was hoeing in the garden, I hoed the what was already the lettuce and the spinach and all the plants that's out there. I hoed all those. And I cut all the potatoes for him so he could plant the potatoes. But that's what we're doing. And that's why we've decided we were going to make our garden twice the size because of food shortages and trying to feed ourselves and live more sustainable during this pandemic, since we don't have to be around anybody to get food if we can raise our own. Talk to you later. Think about grazing your own garden and raising more food for your family. Bye.